Hello friends, we have seen some tools which are very useful in Fireworks. Now we will learn how to make layer and what are the advantages using layers in Fireworks. Let's open an image. Let's take desert. On the right side of the toolbar you can see layer toolbar. By default Fireworks handles layers more like freehand or Illustrator. When you draw a shape in Fireworks, it becomes a new object on the current layer. A layer in Fireworks is like a container holding as many objects as you want to put in it. This allows you to move objects from one layer to another or edit and delete objects without affecting other objects on the same layer. You can see that when we import an image in Fireworks, it by default creates a layer for that particular image. Let's create a new layer. For that, go to this menu, click on it and click new layer, and you can also rename the name of the layer. It is by default layer 1, layer 2 and so on. Then click OK. You can see the first layer is our background image and the second layer which is created by us. Then for importing the another image, go to File, then click on Import, or you can also directly import an image by pressing Ctrl and R. Let's take this image. You can see that added image is on second layer. The first layer contains the first image which is inserted first, and the second layer contains the second image which is also inserted by us. The second layer is bitmap, this image. The first layer is this, the background image. You can see that the first layer is added on the second layer. On the background image, we insert the second layer bitmap image. Now let's drag the first layer on second layer. Now let's drag the first layer on second layer. Now you can see that the first layer is now on this bitmap or second layer, so that you cannot see the second layer image because it is overlapped by the background image. If you click on the second layer image, you can only see the shape of this first layer image. And the first layer contains the background image. Now if you want to see the second layer image, then simply drag the second layer image on the first layer. Now you can see the first layer and second layer, both the image on your window. You can create number of layers as you want. If we want to change the layer to images, then simply go to layer 2 image and edit or modify that image. It is not affected by the first layer or any layer. Layers are useful when we want the number of images and only some portion of the image we want to edit or modify. Then simply go to that particular layer and you can edit or modify that image, so that no any layers will affected and we can easily create our new picture or image. On the next tutorial we will see another tools. Thank you.